Yes, I cut my hair. I have bedhead right now, so.
Better get up out my way. This is the start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing. New swing set. I'ma go for the loop, man. I'm a fruit gone loopy. That's the Sammy the toucan. Screaming out, who cares? My soul bare. I'm done with the cold stare. My heart hang off the tip of my shoestring. Stay untied, that's usual. I'm not put together. Do better than you do. That's magic. I'm voodoo. You a doll playing dress up, but your get up is poo poo. Okay, I'll fess up. I'm messed up, but that's true for you too. We stare at our messages, hoping for contact. Like somebody, please take us out of this nonsense. The world end after every broadcast, and to save it seemed a tall task with no cake.
At the beach? Yeah. Is this fun?
Whoa, doing 90 on the jet skis.
Yeah, we living.
Tell these haters come and get me.
Come and get me.
Lil' mama, you look sexy.
And she bad.
I wanna she gon' let me.
See,
I ain't they don't test me.
don't test me.
Ice heart Wayne Gretzky.
Iced out.
Knew what it was when you met me.
Yeah, you know that.
Just be real, don't upset me. Yo,
do that.
I ain't got time for the foolery.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss.
I'm making a alfredo, and I'm starting with 2 tablespoons of butter, medium-high heat, and then we're gonna throw in some half and half. And I'm just eyeballing this. A little splash of olive oil. Let's heat down a little bit. And then we're going to throw in a little bit of garlic powder here.
Tell me what it is. What you want from me? What you want from me? Tell me what it is, don't tell me what it ain't. They try to throw salt, it just made the pressure raise. Going through a phase, gotta get myself out it. Don't talk about it, boy, they said you gotta be about it. So I be trying to face the world head on. Front seat riding, cruising down the meadows. Pedal to the meadow, cool breeze blowing down the windows. Calm trees, blowing trees, get that boy some headroom. On the interstate in traffic, but I swerve out. What's the moves for the night, what's the word now? What's the links, hit me up, we could go now. I got hella pieces, she got hella features. Get me hella geeked up, she be blowing shisha. Reefer on me loud, hope them boys don't creep up. I don't know a thing if you do not speak up. In my own world, I don't try to girl, tell me what you want. Don't be tryna front like I ain't what you want. I ain't here to stun, let me take you out for lunch. I'ma get you drunk, yeah, feeling on your buns. Licks in the blunt, I got ash in my cup.
These noodles are probably some of the best that I have found for keto. The company just sent them to me and to try out. I will definitely be a customer from them going forward because they're really good. I would say my sauce might need some more flavor. Like I feel like more garlic, maybe some more Parmesan cheese. You're gonna have to kind of like mess with it if you're making Alfredo. Sometimes I'll add like cream cheese to my Alfredo to help with flavor. But it's really, really good.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow. but I'm here to hold. No, my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer as it rolls at bay. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say I'm not afraid.
So this, guys, is a brand new Pro flavor and key lime pie. What I love about it is it actually tastes like the pie in addition to the key lime. It's so good. So listen, there is 3 net carbs and 100 calories, and so you can blend this up. I did it with almond milk. You can use half an avocado in here. You can add the keto cream in here if you want to add some additional collagen in here, but there is MCTs. There's magnesium, there's potassium, really high vitamin B12, and there's ketones in here. So it's gonna elevate your blood ketone level, and it tastes ridiculous. This, I think, might be my favorite flavor. I do have samples of this as well as the other flavors, which they are all incredible, and you make them the same way. So the exact same way I just made this one, you make those. So I definitely strongly recommend trying it out, because that pasta dish, while it was incredible, it was definitely not enough to fill me up, and so this is like the perfect like dessert to my lunch. It's so good. You cannot miss ice cream. You could not miss any desserts. You could not miss sugar if you have something like this. And this is where like tools and different supplements, this is why they work in my lifestyle.
Body dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
So after dinner, I just stick to the water, and then when it's time to get ready for bed, I have a couple supplements that I take. Magnesium, because most people are deficient in magnesium. I'm assuming I am as well. And then trace minerals. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I do have more what I eat in a day videos in a series. And I have new daily keto routines coming every single week right here on this channel. All the links for any of the supplements or products used in this video is in the description. I hope you guys are crushing it with your goals.